Hi guys, welcome to Webomania. Today we're gonna learn how to set up Angular development environment. So let's begin. Prerequisites means the software that we're gonna need before we're gonna started out setting up our Angular 4 environment. First one is your Node.js, which is a JavaScript runtime environment that we have to install into our machine. Then second is your git bash, which is a command line utility used to interact with GitHub. Third one is your Visual Studio Code, which is a code editor used to edit Angular application code. So first we have to open a browser, type Node.js. The first link will open the Node.js website. Click on that. Here you see two download options. Just click on this one, that is long-term support. It is the current version. Just click on long-term support. It will automatically start downloading according to your system need. I am cancelling it because I have installed it as well earlier before. Second thing is your git scm. Open it. Here you're gonna see a window with the link downloads for window. It will automatically detect your machine. Just click download for Windows and it automatically gonna start a download for your system. And if it doesn't start downloading for your system, then just click from one of the options given here. So as it automatically start download, so I don't have to go here. So I'm cancelling it again because I have installed it before as well. Third one is your Visual Studio Code. So we have to type on Google Visual Studio Code. Open the first link. Go to the download page. It will automatically detect your system, or you can manually choose by clicking here. So in this way you are able to download all the three softwares that are used for setting up your Angular development environment. Okay, so after installing all these softwares, what you have to do is after installing them, actually Angular setup environment are of two types. First one is your development environment, second one is your production environment. In this video we are talking about development environment and we'll talk about the production environment in the future. So if we talk about the production environment, then for production environment we have to use Angular CLI, but for development environment we will use your GitHub. And after the process we have these two commands to go further. So we reach here and type Angular quickstart seed. Just click on the link which is on the top. Now you have two options in order to download it. You can download a zip file or can clone it by copying the URL for the same. I am just showing this approach, that is installing the Angular development environment by using CLI. So I copy it. After copying it, what I have to go to my desktop, create a folder, new folder with the name Angular. Inside that I'm gonna open command line interface, that is CLI. Inside that folder and type git clone, then paste it and give a name to my application as Angular 4. Hit enter. It will clone the Angular quickstart repository to build my environment. That is my Angular application. It is done. After doing that, what I have to do is just do cd Angular 4, that is going inside this folder into my command line interface, and as you see here, I have two commands. After that I have to do npm install and npm start. What npm install will do, it will install all the packages described in package.json, and npm start run the compiler and the server at the same time, both in watch mode. So after that, what I will do, just do npm install, hit enter. It will take some time in order to install all the packages, so what I have to do is just pause my video and come after some time. So as you can see, I have installed all the packages that are defined inside my package.json file as a folder known as node modules. After installing all the packages, now you got some confusion after seeing all these number of files. So I just eliminate all the extra files about which you don't have to care right now. So there is no need of readme protector used for your, you can say, for testing purpose. There is no need of this file, this chain log, this one, this one, this one, this one. These files are not required for our development, so we can delete them all. Now you have a very clean and good environment setup for your Angular application. These are the essentials files which are used for your development purpose, that is tslint, package.json, bsconfig.json, editor configuration. Source file is our main file in which we gonna write our main code. Then there is a node modules, which consist are all modules that we have done installing by doing a command npm install on our command line. After this, what I'm gonna do is just open this folder, that is Angular 4, inside my Visual Studio Code. So I go there, open folder, go to desktop and open this folder. After opening this folder into Visual Studio Code, you can see that it consists a source folder. A source folder consists of an app folder, then an icon, index.html, main.ts, style.css, and these are some of the files inside it. So after doing that, what we have to do, we have to just go to command line and type npm start, hit enter. It will automatically build our code, compile our code, and run a local server for our application, and we are able to see our code our final result inside the browser. As it is compiling our code, so it takes some time, so we have to just wait for some time. Now it's done. It opened the browser with the code say hello world. So in this way we are able to set up a local working environment for our Angular application. If you want to know further about each and every uh, single part of Angular application, then just please subscribe and like my video.